March dips, yes. The other reason why I'm not too worried about these little lows is because March is typically a shit month for crypto. So if we just go back in time, especially the March near the halving. So 1 second, if we just do this, no, I'm gonna have to find it another time. But yeah, if you basically look at March, most Marches you have a bit of a dip. So let's go back to 2012. This is the logarithmic chart, don't forget. So March, bit of a downturn. 2000. Then the next March we had. Jesus, where is it? March is here. Look at this. We had a bit of a downturn, or 2 flash crashes really, in that March. If we then go to 2014's March, it was a whole month of falling. 2015 March, okay, that was pretty much an up month. 2016 March, another downturn, and then just sideways. Then we had a lot of falling in the 2017 March. 2018 March, again more falling. 2019 March, actually up just a tiny bit. 2020 March. So this is actually where I see us right now. This is the most similar. So in 2020 we're entering the bull market of 2021, and we had the halving, right? And guess what? March ended up being an absolute shit tip. We had the halving, and then the summer of 2020 was good, and then towards the end it really started kicking off into the 2021 bull market. But I mean, yeah, so that's where we find ourselves now. So we've got the halving. March is just looking to be a bit shit, but I think it's just little wobbles. I don't. You really don't need to panic. So they're the March dips.